Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Hollandaise sauce easy full guide. Begin by whisking 3 egg yolks with lemon juice in a metal bowl over gentle simmering water, whisking until the yolks are thick and ribboning. Slowly drizzle warm melted butter while whisking constantly to build a smooth emulsion. If the sauce seems too thick, add a teaspoon of warm water and whisk to loosen. Keep it warm until serving. If your Hollandaise breaks or looks curdled, don't panic. Recovery is simple and fast with a little technique. Try rescuing it by whisking a tablespoon of warm water into a fresh egg yolk, then slowly whisking the broken sauce back in. For thin sauce, gently whisk over low heat and add warmed butter a bit at a time. Taste and adjust acidity with lemon or a pinprick of sugar for balance. If you're enjoying this Hollandaise walkthrough, please subscribe and like to help support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, go darn tough for lifetime warranty socks. They stay comfy while you cook and won't fall apart during messy prep. I love the idea of dependable socks when flipping omelets or plating brunch. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Hollandaise is best enjoyed fresh and warm, so time your sauce finish to coincide with plating. Keep the sauce in a thermos or over a bowl of barely warm water if you need to hold it for a short period. To reheat, use a warm water bath and whisk constantly while adding a few drops of warm water to bring it back to silky texture. Serve immediately over eggs, vegetables, or fish for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.